In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom estimate in QuickBooks. Creating estimates in QuickBooks is an essential skill for managing your finances, as it allows you to send potential costs to clients and customers efficiently. Let's dive into this step-by-step process and simplify it for you. Start by signing into your QuickBooks account. Once you navigate to the QuickBooks login page, you'll be prompted to choose the service you're using, so go ahead and select QuickBooks Online. Now you're ready to type in your credentials. Enter your username and password and click Continue. This should bring you into your QuickBooks dashboard where all the magic happens. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the top left corner of the interface. Here you'll see a button labeled New. Go ahead and click on this button to start your process of creating new documents or transactions within QuickBooks. After clicking, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this list, select Estimate. This selection takes you to a dedicated page for developing your custom estimate. At this point, you'll need to add specific details to customize the estimate according to your needs. Begin by entering the customer's name and their email address. It's crucial to ensure this information is accurate, as it will determine to whom and where the estimate will be sent. Make sure to double check this information to avoid any communication mishaps. Next, you'll need to input the date for the estimate itself, as well as an expiration date. The expiration date is particularly important as it sets a limit for your offer, ensuring that any changes post-expiration need new approval. This feature not only organizes your business transactions, but also keeps your clients informed of timing constraints. Now comes the part where you add products or services to the estimate. Carefully list the items or services that you are providing, each with its corresponding price. This step requires close attention to ensure the accuracy of all entries, as it directly affects the bottom line of the estimate. If you have any additional documents, images, or information that would be beneficial for your clients to see, you can attach these by clicking Add Attachments. Up till here, you've crafted a comprehensive estimate that includes all critical parameters related to your transaction. Once you've reviewed all the information in the estimate for accuracy and completeness, it's time to finalize it. Go ahead and click Save and Send. This action will open the email interface. Here you have the opportunity to compose your email subject and body, communicating any necessary messages along with the estimate. Finally, the process ends with clicking Send to deliver your estimate directly to your customer's inbox. Remember, estimates in QuickBooks are considered non-posting transactions, which means they don't affect your accounts until they are accepted and converted to an invoice. And there you have it. You've successfully created a custom estimate in QuickBooks. Following this process will ensure clarity, professionalism, and efficiency in your business dealings. Thanks for watching, and happy estimating.